Hey, stock market traders, welcome back. I hope these videos are helping you guys in any way, shape, or form. Let's take a look at the stock market for Monday, 12/27, 2021. Let's start off with the S&P 500, looking at the daily chart. And we got new all-time highs today, finally. But just like I mentioned in my previous video, it's moving a little too much, a little too fast. Look at the size of this move. Five trading sessions, it went up 5.8%. 5.8%. If it was a stock, it would be normal. But the S&P 500 index, that's a big, big bounce. Now, since we're at all-time highs, up here, there's absolutely no resistance, no overhead. So the path of this resistance will be up. It just feels like it has a momentum of a cargo train with no brakes. So we'll see how high it goes before it decides to take a pause, take a breather, or a small retracement. But so far, not a single sign. I mean, any single chart that you look at, it can be intraday. Let's take a look at the hourly chart. Look at the size of the move. Now we are very far away from that 5-day moving average, which implies a pause or a small retracement, which I expect to happen within the next couple of trading sessions, but we'll see. That's just my guess. If you own it, congrats. Enjoy the ride. Now let's take a look at the Nasdaq 100. This one from the lows, the bounce is went up 6.9%. That's like roughly 7% in 5 trading sessions. That's a big bounce. This one is getting close to making new all-time highs, but I think it's gonna retrace back to this area, somewhere around this area, before it makes new all-time highs. That's my guess. This one also moved too much too fast. I just had to book some profits. Not that I'm bearish, I just have a rule of booking some profits along the way. I sold 1/3 of my original position. I sold those shares when it dipped below this moving average. This is, you're looking at the 5-minute chart. This is the price action for today. Like I said, I placed my stop loss underneath that moving average. I got stopped out right there. And back to the daily chart. If you remember, if you go back to my videos, I told you guys that I bought somewhere around there that day when it bounced off the 100-day moving average. So it's been a quick and fast ride. So how to book some profits. Let's now take a look at the Philadelphia Semiconductor Index. Many all-time highs. This one also. It's been going up 5 days in a row. New highs. No overhead resistance. So this one can just keep going up and up every single day. How high can it go? It's even hard to predict because there's no, like, not even a line of, say, resistance that you can say, well, I can use that as a reference. Maybe it'll pause there. But in this case, new all-time highs, you don't have that. So the path of least resistance is up. Let's now take a look at the small cap index, IWM for the Russell 2000. This one is it's looking better. Same as the other indices, it's been up, 5 days in a row. But now this one is finding a lot of resistance. There'll be lots of resistance here. It's trying to it actually pushed above the 200-day moving average, the 100-day moving average. But now I think this is going to be a lot of resistance. Getting above that, I don't know how it's going to happen. I really doubt it's going to happen within the next couple of sessions. You'll probably end up with a little slight pullback. and then try to push higher. Let's take a look at the hourly chart to see this pattern even better. This is the resistance I'm talking about. See that green box right here? That's between 226 and 228. Does a convergence of all these moving averages, including this gap. So now you got the gap and you got the 50-day moving average. And after such a big move like this, the most likely scenario will probably be a small pullback or at least some price consolidation going east before pushing north again. But we'll see. For those of you guys who follow patterns, this can develop into a head and shoulder, head and shoulders, or a cup and handle. But we'll see. It was going to be interesting how this pattern plays out. But definitely it's looking a lot better. And this pattern's been going on for the last 4 weeks or so. So if it breaks out to the upside, expect a big bounce. Thanks for watching, guys. And guys, good luck trading tomorrow.